my friends. Now we're talking. Yeah, so after the chum sits there for a few weeks, height of the summer, it could take just a matter of days. This time of the year in March, it takes longer because it's cooler. But once it gets that milky color and there's no more bubbles and stuff, it's done. This is the same process that channel cat fishermen use to make chum. When they're baiting up their spots or they're casting out chum, it's exactly the same. The only difference is I will take this and drain off the water. No need to do it all at one time, just maybe a third of it. That allows the soldier flies to come in and bed into it. I've heard that some people will just drain off maybe the top couple of inches and let them bed down through that, and that way they can still have chum plus the maggots together, but I like to get all the water off of it. You need a bucket of some kind. You need a bucket or something that has holes in the bottom to let the water drain off, because the current way I have it now, it's just too, what do you say? It's too heavy. I mean, it's too heavy for me to move. So I'll take enough that I want to start a nice generation of black soldier flies, and put it in the second bucket, which I'll be using for the bedding for the flies.